Diddy's sons Justin and Christian were placed in handcuffs and detained while the producer's Los Angeles home was raided by federal agents. While the bad boy producer was called out for failing to protect his sons, new reporting confirms Diddy had no idea he was under a federal investigation. Once the raid was over, Christian and Justin left the property and later returned to pack their luggage and immediately fled the scene. There's no word on where Justin and Christian are heading, but they clearly do not want to be anywhere near their father's current federal case.